DIY woodworking plans at myoutdoorplans.com. Hey, Avidu here from myoutdoorplans.com, and today I'm excited to share a brand new project with you. This 8x10 modern office shed is a compact, clean-lined backyard workspace designed with a mono-slope roof, large windows, and vertical siding for a sharp contemporary look. The structure is built using standard framing techniques and dimensional lumber, making it approachable for DIY builders while still delivering a polished, high-end result. The layout maximizes natural light and interior space, creating a bright and comfortable environment that works perfectly as a home office, studio, or creative retreat. With the right finishing touches like insulation, drywall, and electrical, this shed easily transforms into a fully functional, year-round workspace just steps away from your home. See step-by-step tutorial with full cut and shopping lists at myoutdoorplans.com.